Okay guys, this video doesn't have anything to do with fitness, but we were folding t-shirts at our church and they thought the way I folded was kind of cool. So I'm gonna show you a cool way of folding t-shirts. You start right here, 2 inches from the collar, and you go 2 inches out, and this is your line, straight down to here. You're gonna grab it here. A little bit beyond the halfway point, pick it up, fold it under, pop it, and there you go. And you just go down the line, 2 inches over, a little over the halfway point, bottom, fold it over, boom. And just as we go, 2 inches over, flop it. This works with t-shirts, polo shirts, long sleeves, anything except button-down shirts. But this is how you do it. All right, go forth and fold t-shirts. See you guys. Peace. There it is. Bam.